First off, can we just talk about my coffee table? I'm obsessed with it. I've been looking for one on the cheap for a while now, and I found this one on Facebook Marketplace. It was like between $40 and $50. It's like basically a tree in my living room. I'm so excited about it. But let's get into this nighttime cleaning routine. Guys, I basically just clean up and do whatever my chore was for that day. Oh, and I'm going to use these pumpkins towards the end of the video. Stay tuned.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Mama's cooking in the kitchen, and our stomachs have eyes. We take a seat at the table as the sun splits through the open blinds. Dolly's barking from the front yard, she wants to come inside. Yeah, I got a sweet suspicion these are good times, that our sunrise would come, and that our goodbye are never gone. I say feel that rhythm, let your mind let go, picking up on the subtle signals of your slide. The self is disconnected, all the things we had perfected when the wind changed with all its might. I think we better learn sometime. I think we better learn sometime. Now we're walking through the courtyard and leaves roll over our shoestrings. So we speak of family and love, the only true things. I know that vanity is dead. The queen says off with its head, and we can lay under the clouds, saying that we'll be proud of the men we became, and that our sunrise would still come, and that our goodbyes are never gone, never gone, never gone. So yeah, say you feel that rhythm, let your mind let go, picking up on the subtle signals of your sight. The self is disconnected, all the things we had perfected when the wind changed with all its might. I think we better learn sometime. I think we better learn sometime. Well, do you see that wall? Go ahead and knock it down. And do you see my face? I'll always be around. I say, feel that rhythm, let your mind let go, picking up on the subtle signals of your sight. The self is disconnected, all the things we had perfected when the wind changed with all its might. I think we better learn sometime, yeah. I think we better learn sometime, yeah. Nah, nah, ooh. I think we better learn sometime. Fix my hair, close the latch on the gate. I fly across this town cause I don't wanna be late. And pull up to your house and your dad is staring holes through me. We see a movie, spent all that I had. You say romantic comedies these days make you sad, just empty and lonely, wishing for a world like that. I could never let you go. You are the current, the river, and the undertow. I could never let you go. You are the current, the river, and the undertow. A white dress and the cutting of cake. A little house on 7th as the snow starts to flake. Pretty soon that house is full of diapers and crying things. Our daughter has a game, so we load up the van. The joy upon her face, it keeps us warm in the stands. And boy is touring college, his life just moves as fast as it can. I could never let you go. You are the current, the river, and the undertow. Darling, I could never let you go. You are the current, the river, and the undertow. Gather round as I'm slipping away.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was relaxing. It was relaxing for me to edit and watch, so I hope it was for you guys too. If you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
My love is wearing blue like she was when we met.